Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with the core components for a delicious Greek salad dressing. You'll need extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Don't forget the aromatic dried oregano, a key ingredient that defines this classic dressing. A touch of Dijon mustard and a finely minced garlic clove will add depth and a subtle kick to your mixture. Now, let's combine these wonderful flavors. In a bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 minced garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Before serving, always taste your dressing and adjust the seasonings. If you prefer more tang, add a little extra red wine vinegar or lemon juice. For a milder flavor, a bit more olive oil can balance it out. Once perfected, transfer your dressing to an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next salad. Your homemade Greek salad dressing is now ready to elevate your meals. It's perfect for a traditional Greek salad featuring crisp lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, Kalamata olives, and creamy feta cheese. You can also use it as a vibrant marinade for grilled chicken or fish, or even toss it with roasted vegetables for a delightful Mediterranean touch. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.